Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the low volume problem on your VIVO X300. So first, what you guys want to do is adjust the media and the call volume in the settings. So, the call volume cannot be changed in the settings, but you guys can change it while being in an active call. So, as you guys can see, let's go over to the settings, select sound and vibration, and here we can only adjust the media volume. As you guys can see, mine is adjusted perfectly up to 50%, and you guys can also max it all out to see if that makes any difference. Now, here we have the do not disturb mode. Now, as you guys can see, I would recommend you guys disabling it because it can also cause the low volume problems. So, you don't want it enabled, you don't want to see the moon icon right here, you want it disabled and see if that makes the difference. If not, then maybe it's the issue of your speakers being stuffed with dirt, debris or lint. So here we have the first grills, we have 3 dots, so we can call them dots, and here we have the bigger speaker grill. We need to make sure that it is clean, and if it's not, then I would recommend cleaning it with a soft brush or an air compressor, but the soft brush definitely does its job much better. Now, moving on, what you guys can do is restart the phone. So hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Now swipe right to restart it, and as you guys can see, we have to wait now. So I'll see you guys in a second. Now, after the restart, what you guys can do as a last resort is check for software updates. So let's quickly enter the password if you guys have one, and then move on to the settings. Here we're gonna scroll down until we see the system update. It's almost at the bottom, and it will check automatically if you have the latest version. As you guys can see, I do, but if you don't, then you will see a button here to basically install it. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.